White ankle socks, basic. Fun socks, basic. Matching tie and pocket square, basic. No hair product, basic. Hey dude shoes are so fucking bad. It ought to be a sin. It is a sin, a style sin. So the inspiration for today's video is the movie Crazy Stupid Love with Ryan Gosling and Steve Carell. There was a scene in that movie where Ryan takes Steve shopping and he says, be better than the Gap. It's not that the Gap has like bad clothing, but if you want to look sexy and stylish, you gotta do better than the Gap. Today guys, I'm going over the mega monster list of items making you look boring, basic, and average. Something that is not basic and boring is my watch from the company Aura, which I'm going to link to down below. And the reason why I want to tell you about this real quick before we get into these items is because they are doing a discontinued sale on the 41mm automatic Aura watches. All right, now normal price is under $300, but right now they're like $170, but there's a discount code that's going to give you 30% off, which means these watches are literally going to be under like $120 for the highest quality, sexiest watch on the market in terms of the price. You got stainless steel, you got automatic movement, you got sapphire crystal. This bad boy not only is a beast, it's sexy as hell. Now, the reason why they're doing this is because they're getting rid of their 41mm watches. Most of the watches that they sell are the 40mm. In terms of the size difference, this one is a 40mm and this on my wrist is a 41. You literally can't tell the difference, which is the problem and the reason why they're not gonna make the 41s anymore. But they've got some inventory left and they wanna move them, gentlemen. So literally they like cut the price in half and they're gonna offer that 30% off discount on top of it. And so if you use the discount code ALPHAM, guys, you're gonna get 30% off site-wide, which means you can grab any of the 40mm watches, or what I personally would recommend is grab one of those sexy ass 41s. Check this out. The rose gold Aura watch with the skeleton face, meaning you can see all the workings inside, and then on the back, the open case back, so you can actually see the automatic movement, and then this one has the rubber strap. It's also got a butterfly clasp. Guys, the other really cool thing that I love about Aura is that when you're shopping, you can actually buy the rubber strap. So if you got this watch, but you're like, yo, I want a rubber strap to basically add another element of style or just change it up, you can grab the strap, and that discount works on the strap and the watch as well. Or maybe you're a stainless steel guy. The perfect Aura classic watch, right? Stainless steel, you've got that beautiful bracelet, which I absolutely love. You also have that butterfly clasp, the open case back, so you can actually see it. Guys, I'm telling you, if you are in the market for a new premium sexy watch without the premium price tag, hit that link down below. Use the discount code ALPHAM to get any Aura watch for 30% off. But these 41mm Auras, gentlemen, are gonna fly. They don't have that many left in stock, so if you're interested, guys, hit the link down below. Use that discount code. It is crazy how high quality and sexy these watches are for the price. And with this discount, it's even more insane. Which brings me to actually the first thing that makes you look boring and basic, and that is not wearing a watch. A watch is the greatest accessory out there for guys. Every dude should be wearing a watch, but if you're wearing a technology watch, this also isn't the solution. You look average and basic as fuck. Just because you don't agree with me doesn't mean that I'm wrong. Next thing is accessories in general, all right? Accessories are one of the great things that you can do and wear as a man to elevate your style and come across different and better in terms of style and aesthetic than basic boring dudes. A ring, a bracelet, a watch, a necklace, earring. Actually, don't do earrings. It makes you look like a girl. Something else that makes you look like a girl is boobies, man boobs. Something else that makes you look boring and basic. A dad bod. There's nothing sexy about a dad bod. If you want to look great out of your clothes, work out. If you want to look great in your clothes, work out. Period. Zero facial hair. Something else that makes you look boring and basic and average. I'm just telling you the truth. Once again, if you don't have anything on your face, you're going to look a little bit soft, a little bit doughy. Unless you are like super good looking and you've got super strong features, you look washed out and pasty. Sideburns. You need them. All right, something else that a lot of guys do that makes them look horrible and boring, and that is cut off your sideburns. Guys, you need sideburns. It's gonna help frame your face, it's gonna finish a hairstyle, and it's just something that you need, unless you're doing a bald fade. Other than that, you need burns. You also shouldn't wear a hat all the time. Something else that makes you look basic and boring. Dudes that wear hats all the time, every environment, inside, outside, it doesn't matter, they're wearing a baseball hat. Thumbs down. Another thumbs down is an undershirt. If you can see it, it's bad. If you're wearing a dress shirt, untucked, that's coming down past your crotch, you look boring and basic, because that's what boring, basic dads do. They wear dress shirts that should be tucked in out. Gentlemen, there's a difference between a casual shirt designed to be untucked and a dress shirt you're wearing untucked. Dress shirts are longer. Don't wear them. If it's coming down, covering your man meat, you need to elevate it, gentlemen. And this also goes for your t-shirts, which shouldn't be big and baggy, which makes you look basic. If it has a logo on it, like college, sports team, boring and basic. Gentlemen, sports paraphernalia doesn't make you look stylish. Boat shoes, period. Bad. Athletic sneakers with anything other than athletic wear, bad, basic. If you're wearing those like dress shoe with like the sneaker bottoms, that's like, yo, I'm really like comfortable. No, gentlemen, in order to be stylish, there is a degree of being like not comfortable, all right? Including like clothing that fits your body. You gotta do better. If you're wearing baggy clothing, like a baggy suit, horrible. Your clothing should feel like it's giving you a little style hug. It's gotta fit your body. Big baggy suit or a suit that's oversized, boring. It's basic. If your pants aren't tapered and tailored, this is also something that average basic dudes do. Or I should say they don't do. Because stylish men know, yo, my pants gotta fit. I gotta have them tailored and tapered. All right? Also, if your jeans or khakis or chinos are pulling and bunching down by your ankle, basic, boring, average. Oversized shirts, bad. You should always look for slim fit. Even if you're a big dude, slim fit typically is gonna be better. It doesn't mean it's gonna be like skin tight. It just means that there's not gonna be quite as much fabric in the body of the shirt, and it's not gonna be cut like a big like average box. It's gonna be tailored a little bit. Always look for a slim fit or an athletic fit option, which brings me to jeans. Baggy jeans, I'm just telling you, unless you're like a young millennial that's got the whole like baggy swag going, you look horrible. Because most dudes that wear basic, boring denim, like Lee jeans, Levi's, Wrangler, Rustler, you look like you're wearing dad jeans, right? With the super long, like regular rise, you got a bunch of extra fabric, or worse yet, you pull it up to your real waist, right above your belly button, and you're gonna have like a camel toe hanging out down in the package, gentlemen. Don't do it. Something else that makes you look boring and basic is basic underwear. Tighty whities, thumbs down. Boxers, thumbs down. You wanna go boxer brief, black, that's it. Pathetic polo shirts. All right, now I'm gonna throw a few out. Ones that have patterns on them, big like stripes, horrible. Or it's got like a country club logo. That one is next level average. If you're rocking a polo shirt and you're like, yo, check it out. Everybody can tell I went to the Masters. Everybody can tell you're a huge average douche. But it's Tommy Bahama. Exactly. Let's add that to the list. Tommy Bahama. There are certain brands that make you look boring and basic, gentlemen. If it's like a store that like your dad would shop at, or like dudes that have like a little bit of money, you look average. Period. Brooks Brothers is another one that's kind of like on the fence. If you know what you're doing when you go into a Brooks Brothers, you can be okay. As long as you have the clothing that fits you properly and that is well coordinated, right? A very old money aesthetic. But there's a fine line between old money and old. Not dressing for the occasion. Everybody has seen the dude that's gone to a wedding in like a polo shirt and khakis. Or worse, like jeans. I've even seen jeans. Do not be that guy. In my opinion, every stylish man should always aim for one level up. Or if the level's already up, like at a wedding or some like formal function, you want to make sure that your clothing is tailored within an inch of your sexy ass life. Black dress shoes. I'm just gonna say it. Black dress shoes make you look average, because most average dudes wear black dress shoes because they're like, oh, black, it matches with everything. Black is basic, it's safe, it's boring. Go brown. Brown is more rich, it's more rugged. And honestly, brown matches with like everything that black would, except say like a black suit. But you shouldn't be wearing a black suit. Period. There's no point or place for black suits, if I'm being honest. Go super dark charcoal, fine. But black is a little bit, I don't know, a lot of dudes think, oh, I want a black suit. I'm gonna look sexy. You're gonna look average, because average dudes wear black suits. And typically, they're not gonna be good black suits. Now, if you're a stylish dude, you don't have to worry about this. You can wear whatever the hell you want. You want to go black suit, black shoes, black shirt, monochromatic action, great, sexy. But if you're an average dude and you're wearing a white shirt, a blue tie, a black suit, black shoes, average, loser, you. Hey dude shoes are so fucking bad, it ought to be a sin. It is a sin, a style sin. And wanting to look good sin. Something else it is are long shorts. Long shorts aren't in style, period. You want to show a little bit of leg. You got to be a few inches above the kneecap. If they're baggy, bad. If they're jorts, horrible. Middle management business casual. So this is a style. It's a look, it's an image, and it's boring as hell. What am I talking about? Every business casual dude that I know that's like middle management is wearing the same thing. They're wearing either a button-up shirt tucked into their khakis, or they might wear a polo on like casual Fridays, but they're basically wearing some button-up that is buttoned too high, which brings me to something else. If you're rocking too many buttons, this isn't getting it done. You want to expose a little upper chest, man cleavage to be sexy. Big, bulky sweaters. Stylish dudes wear lightweight merino wool sweaters that fit their body a little bit more contoured. And that's another big thing that you got to understand. Fabrics, it matters. If it's big, if it's heavy, if it's itchy, if it's scratchy, it's no good. New Balance shoes look average. T-shirts with festive things on them like an American flag for the 4th of July that you got from Old Navy. Basic. White ankle socks, basic. Fun socks, basic. Matching tie and pocket square, basic. No hair product, basic. If you're just rocking your hair and you're like, yo, I towel dry and I'm out the door, you are also out of style. Today, guys, hopefully you dug this video. If there's something that I missed, down below, I want to know. What is something that makes a guy look basic, boring, and average? Down below, let me know. And before you go, drop it like it's hot.